just taken delivery of this DC power supply. I've been after one of these for a while now, and well, I didn't want to pay big money for one, so I did a bit of a search on the reviews of this one, and came up pretty good. So I thought, oh well, let's go for it. It was about £31, I think it was. And this is the Wanptek. That's some strange names. Wanptek KPS3010D, 30 volt, 10 amp. So let's open the box and take a look and see what we've got. Okay, what we've got here for starters. Yeah, some crocodile clips and leads. Does it just pull out? I think so, yeah. Let's get rid of the box. Let's get it out of the packaging properly. Okay, yeah, it's a nice little unit. It's all metal cased. Dials feel quite nice. They got some sort of resistance behind them, so they're not just turning. The on-off switch, that's where your negative and positive lead attach. On the back you've got your power supply, your fan, and the voltage input, which is 230. That'll do for me. Usual. Oh, we've got a UK plug on it anyway. Can't remember if I ordered it that way or not. But yeah, it's a good length. It's about 5 foot, 4 foot length. Let's get this protective screen off here, if we can find where it is. Right, let's get the power supply plugged in. Make sure it fires into life. Okay, so we're all plugged in. We've got the leads connected. These are nothing special, but I can get some replacement ones of those a bit more heavier duty. They're okay, they'll do for light work. Let's turn it on. Oh yeah, it's a good display. So we've got voltage this side, and we've got a coarse setting and a fine setting, so we can adjust the voltage with the coarse setting to nearer to what you want. Let's near to what you want. Let's say 5 volts. So if we get it up to, well, it stopped on 5, but if you adjust the fine setting, steps are smaller. Now to set the maximum ampage, it's like the most amps that you want to allow whatever you're connecting to, like the ceiling, so it doesn't supply too many amps. And if we short this out by connecting these two, you can see it's at 1 amp at the moment, but I could change that to 2 and use the fine just to get it in the correct place. Now whatever I apply this to, it's never going to give more than 2 amps. So at the moment it's going to give 5 volts at a maximum of 2 amps. Okay, I just wanted to show you the inside of this because I have noticed there's a couple of different designs, internals shall we say. Some use a green board, some use a blue board, and different capacitors too. So I don't know, they seem to vary somewhat on who makes them and what's available maybe at the time. I don't know, but yeah, it all looks good. I mean, I don't know too much about what I'm looking for and everything, but sure somebody can comment if they see anything untoward. The earth's attached to the board there. Yeah, the front board. Don't think this camera will zoom in that close actually without getting a little bit blurred, but I hope you can see something there anyway that will answer any questions that you have about it. It's pretty accurate voltage wise. You can see we've got 3 volts and it's showing the same on the multimeter. Let's try it at 5. And yeah, that's good enough. Let's try 9. One thing, these are very, very sensitive knobs. Very sensitive. But yeah, 9 volt again. I was lucky I landed on 12. But yeah, 12 volt. But yeah, it's very, very sensitive. 24, yeah, okay. It's out slightly, minuscule really, isn't it? So that's pretty good. Let's take it up to the maximum. 29.6, 29.5, 30. Yeah, it's close enough. Close enough. What is the max it goes to? 31.6, look. If you can hear my cat in the background, it's just a little kid. And he's driving me mad. Yeah, 31.6, 31.4. So that's pretty good. Can't complain at that. But these are ultra sensitive. And get it up to 3 volt again. I mean, once you've set it, it's okay, isn't it, really? So, but yeah, pleased with that. Accurate. Well, it's accurate enough for what I need it for, anyway. I mean, it's not sort of look. Shut up. What's the matter with you? What? Wants to come up here and play with the wires. Yeah, like I say, it's accurate enough for what I need it for anyway. And for the price, can't go wrong, can you really? Like I say, what was it? About £31, I think. AliExpress, bargain if you ask me. Yes, alright, I'm going to feed you now. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.